welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you 3 different apps on your mobile phone, whether you are an Android user or an iPhone user. These apps will help you to earn money online for completely free. You might be thinking, which apps are these that will help you to earn money for free, to earn $600 per year? So if you want to know about these applications, stay with us to know about these applications. You can install these applications for completely free. You can absolutely do this. So don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out any important detail about these applications. But before we start the video, subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share your views in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start the video. Step number 1 is go to the website paypal.com, where you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. Click on sign up for free today and provide your authentic information to PayPal to create an account. But if you really don't want to create your PayPal account, then you can set up your own bank account online by searching online banking in my country and sign up for free account on this banking website. Now the application number 1 is moneysms.com, which is a free Android app which allows you to make money online. It says you can make money online by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. Now all you have to do is to download this application in your mobile phone, and then you will start receiving random SMS. These are the messages you can earn money from. This app only works for Android, but you need not to worry about it because the last app I'm going to show you supports both Android and Apple devices. So if you are an Android user, then install this app right away and start earning from random SMS. Well, you don't have to reply to these messages because these messages has no meaning. So just install in your Android mobile phone and start earning from this application right away. And also share this among your friends so they can also start earning money from these apps. And if you're worried about your privacy, then this is a secure app. They don't read any private messages of yours or uses any other data. They read only their own SMS, and as you can see, it's like automatic. You can earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. Furthermore, they also have a good referral program which says you can earn 30% from referrals and earning. If you refer this app to your friends and then they sign up and start making money, then you will earn 30% from their earnings. And the third most important thing is this app is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. The steps are simple. You have to sign up, you will start receiving automatic test SMS, and then you will get paid. Sign up and start earning. Also share it with your friends. Well, if you're thinking that this app is a scam or this is something that will not pay you money, then this application is not a scam. This app gives you proof of their originality. You can check proof of payment also clicking buy on this website. You can see there are proof of payments people have earned through this application. Now moving forward to second app. The second app is Cash Magnet, and you can install it in your Android phone. This application only works in Android phone. But stay with us because the last application I will show you is for both Android and Apple devices. This app pays for every minute of dead time when you do nothing. Cash Magnet has the largest payments because it units all the best reward programs in one place. You don't need to perform any task, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely passive mode. You can earn from this application whether you are sleeping, eating, working, reading, or whatever you're doing. You will get paid whatever you are doing. So prepare to earn more and you can buy another phone that works for you. This is how thousands of their satisfied users do it. Now moving further, about which everyone is curious about, that is this application is safe or not, then it is absolutely safe. Your personal data and settings are safe. Earn money for doing nothing, absolutely passive income. Okay, now moving to third application. The third app is current.us. This will help you to earn $600 per year. You can install this application on both iOS and in Android. You will get paid just by listening to music. That's all you have to do. Install the app, listen to music, earn more coins, and make money. So, you will earn money just by listening to music. So, search and play hundreds of different musics and get paid for doing that. This is one of the most easy way to earn money, and this application helps you to earn money $600 per year. And the main thing is that you can install it in both Android and Apple devices. So install this application and start earning right away. Make more coins and make money just by listening to the music. The application name is Current, where you can earn money by listening to your favorite music. You will earn more points and then you will earn money. So download these applications in your mobile phones and start earning money right away. Don't waste the time. I hope this video will help you out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section, and also share the videos with your family, friends, so they can also start earning money from these apps right away. Don't waste the time. Install these applications and just start earning money right away by doing nothing. Thanks for watching this video.